This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all of your software at once using the terminal in the Bodhi Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on the Bodhi Linux operating system now. To update all of your software at once using the terminal, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up the terminal. On Bodhi Linux, they call it the terminology. If I go down to the lower left-hand corner, I have a little icon down here. If I put my cursor over it, it says the terminology. I'm going to click on that to open the terminal. Now I have the terminal open. There's two commands that you want to run. They're pretty simple, but I'll put them down in the description. The first command is sudo apt update. Hit enter. Now it's asking me for my password. Now it goes through all of your software to see if there's any updates available. Depending on how long it's been, it could take a minute or so. Usually it doesn't take that long. It tells me that 8 packages can be upgraded. The next command you want to run is sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. And now it will begin updating all of your software. It's asking me, do you want to continue? I'm going to type Y for yes. I'm going to hit enter. And now it will go through and update all of the software where there's updates available. I will pause this and resume when it's done. It is all finished now. That final part took about 3 minutes. But that is how you update all of your software at once using the terminal in Bodhi Linux. Thanks for watching.